So go to menti.com, menti.com. Use the code 115441. That's 115441. And it's time for Crypto Showdown. Let the audience be heard. Tell us what you think. What DeFi Oracle has more upside? What DeFi Oracle would you invest in? Which DeFi Oracle is your favorite? Is it Chainlink or is it Band Protocol? I mean, Chainlink, there's so much love from Chainlink. Chainlink is now back in the, I mean, this is probably the third or fourth time, probably the fourth time in the last 4 to 5 weeks it's been on Crypto Showdown. I mean, because crypto community, crypto family loves Chainlink. But let's see if Band Protocol could possibly dethrone Chainlink. Right now, Chainlink is in first place, but also tell us down in the comments below, if you had to choose between these two coins, which of these oracles are you most bullish on? Is it Chainlink? Is it Band? With that being said, Bill, what's your take? Between these two coins from a TA perspective, which one do you think makes for a better trade?
Well, it's pretty predictable, but I think you've got more upside in Chainlink, right? I'm kind of hesitant with Band, right? Because in bull markets, right? Like, why is Band up 40%? Well, because no one owned it, probably, right? A lot of people probably owned Chainlink. But the fact that
sorry, so somebody also did mention Band is getting listed on Coinbase, so I think that also was a factor.
Right. And a lot of times what happens is it goes up 40%, it gets listed on Coinbase, and you can't buy it for 3 months because it does nothing but go down, like compound. Yeah. Right. So I think the better trade, even though it's a predictable answer, is Chainlink. And the only thing that maybe I can add from my perspective is, Chainlink isn't just mooning, it's leading the market. So when you have something leading the market, don't get off that train.
Yeah.
You can take profits, but don't figure out when to get back in or figure out what the next play is.
Yeah, I mean, because I think today, if you go into Binance, Chainlink had more trading volume than Bitcoin. I mean, so when Bill says it's leading the market, I mean, it is leading the market. Right now, somebody had a comment here. This was from Raquel. So she's saying it would be great to look at coins that are not mooning right now. Those are the ones that are positioning, may be more profitable in the future. Well, I mean, yes. So we did look at Chainlink before it was mooning, right? That's kind of what we covered with the price prediction models and the price prediction index. So Chainlink was basically the major coin, that and Matic Network, and the price prediction index last week. So if you go to the last video, we kind of talked about it. So now we're just kind of showing people the results. But I mean, if you go to Token Metrics, we have lots of other coins that have potential to moon, right? So I highly encourage you to go to our site. That's why we built the site, to be able to find these projects, but most important of all, to help to tell you when they'll moon, to tell you when to take profits, and to really help you manage risk. Because in crypto, lots of coins can moon, but being able to manage that risk is very, very crucial. Okay, so I also did want to briefly just kind of see these two projects' websites, just to kind of compare them hand to hand. Sorry, just give me a second here. Okay, yeah, so Chainlink's site hasn't really changed since I invested back in 2017. It's basically the same site, same graphics, same everything. For those who don't know, Chainlink is smart contracts. It's basically oracles, right? It lets you connect external APIs and let smart contracts talk to external APIs. So for example, smart contracts can now access data that normally would not be on a blockchain or smart contracts. For example, stock data, for example, with exchanges or DEXs, they can get pricing data, pricing oracles. So if you had to ask me what oracles are good, I mean, Chainlink is definitely up there, right? So just go here, check it out. Definitely a decent project. But Band, this is a project we haven't covered too much. We have a fundamental review on this, but we're in the process of doing a technology review, basically code review. But it's basically kind of doing the same thing, right? So here it says secure, scalable, blockchain agnostic, decentralized oracle, right? So, and this has a lower market cap. So if we go to, do I still have it up here? I thought I had CoinGecko. Okay, I closed it. But lots of people think this is the next Chainlink. Now, this remains to be seen. This I think is still speculation. I believe their market cap is around 50 to 60 market cap range. This was a Binance IEO. Definitely worth keeping an eye on. Right. So here they say use Band Oracle across multiple blockchains. So this definitely is an interesting value prop. So Band Chain is designed to be compatible with most smart contract and blockchain development. Here we have Polkadot, Ethereum, and Cosmos. I mean, if they're able to achieve this, and if the technology is solid, that's definitely worth noting. I can definitely see why there's lots of hype around this. But yeah, I mean, so these two are the major DeFi oracles at the moment. So going back to the question of the day, Crypto Showdown, who wins? Well, I mean, without much surprise or fanfare, Chainlink once again is undefeated. The audience has spoken. Chainlink has won Crypto Showdown again. I mean, maybe we keep on adding Chainlink on this until somebody defeats Chainlink. But tell us what you think. Do you think Band Protocol has more upside than Chainlink, or do you think Chainlink all the way? Tell us down in the comments below.